Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're opening up the 17th box in both of the advent calendars. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, that's where we got a boombox and speakers from the Guardians, and Professor Slughorn as a couch. And yeah, let's get into opening the 17th box. I know these videos don't have much of an intro. I tried to do an intro, just can't really find a good one. And it looks like it is a snowman of Thanos. That actually looks pretty cool. It's got like his helmet and armor. Yeah, that actually looks really cool. Alright, and in today's box, we got a snowman of Thanos. And honestly, it looks pretty cool. So, it's got a base so it can stand up. And then it's actually got two of these white heads. And then it's got this 1x1 snot brick to put some armor and arms in. And on the arms, there's actually these, like, I want to say like shoulder pads or just like armor. And then it's got a stud to put the head on, and then Thanos' helmet. So again, this looks really cool. And yeah. And in today's box, in the Harry Potter, I know why these ones are so much harder to open. I know what this is. It's actually this thing, the table with all that water. What's it called? I'll have it built and then I'll tell you guys what it's called. And in today's box, we got this. I don't want to say it wrong. It's like a pensieve. Yeah, I'm probably saying that wrong, honestly. And, geez, this is a big bowl. I thought they could have used, like, probably one of those toilet pieces, and it still would have worked, but I've never seen a piece like this before. Actually a pretty cool piece. And it's got this base, a circular jumper, a stud, and then one of those clear little pieces, I don't know what it's called, and the bowl, and this little tile for the water. And since it's the Half-Blood Prince, it's got the purple base plate. Ooh, not base plate, just plate. And that's it for Harry Potter. And as a review of what we got today, we got this Snowman Thanos and the Pensieve. Again, I am probably saying that so wrong right now, but that's fine. And please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we open up the 18th box in both of these advent calendars.